Hi, my name is Musugochukwu Alfred, and folks call me the online millionaire because I teach people how to make money using the internet. So I'm going to be very brief. This is Owodaily, one of the platforms that I'm using to make some very good amount of money, as well as do jobs, digital jobs here online. So, like I have told you in several of my videos, in case you are coming for the first time, anyway, this is Owodaily. So in several of my videos, I have mentioned the fact that on this platform, you can do digital work. That is, you can set up a business as a digital worker, digital marketer. You can set up a business as a network marketer using this simple system. You can set up a business as an advertiser. You can set up a business, doing several other things as a seller, as an internet marketer, whatever it is that you want to do, you can do that with this system. But what I want to show you quickly today is how much is possible with this system. Now, this is not a financial advice, okay? I want you to have that at the back of your mind. And based on that, results will vary. What I will get, when I put in effort into this, will vary from what you will get financially, because it will depend on several factors, like how much I put in, that is in terms of time, how much time I invest into working in this, how much money I'm able to invest into advertising, trying to increase revenue from this. And maybe probably I have a team and you don't expect that you get the same result that I have, because we are on the same platform. So what I will get will vary from what you will get, but all the same, this system makes good money. I can't tell you how much. I've seen people make 2 million here per month. I've seen people make a million here per month. I've seen people raise about 4 million here in 3 months. I've also seen people raise 700, 300, 500, 80k, 100, 50, 25k, depending. All right, so that is totally up to you, but let me show you. If you come to this place now, you see how many users, okay, how many users can you refer per month? All right, so here we have 0, right? I will be increasing it now. When I'm increasing it, look at your affiliate earnings. Look at this place here when I'm increasing this place. So I'll be clicking on the plus button here. I say 1. So if I refer one person, I make how much? Potential earnings for affiliate earnings for referring one person, I make 3,000 naira. Potential job earnings 0 to 0. Potential total earnings 3,000 naira. So I refer 2, 6,000. I refer 3, 8,000, 4, 12,000. So let me increase to 50,000 persons per month. Let's say you refer 50,000 persons per month. How much is possible? So let's go. Oh wow, can you see this? So we have 150,000 just on referral alone. 150. So the next place we have, how many users can each of your referrals refer per month? So you have people who are working with you. When they make money, you make more money. When they don't make money, you make less money. So why would I leave money on the table when I can train the people who are working directly under me to help me increase my earnings? So let's say that I want to help, I'm getting 50% per month, and I want people under me to also get 50% per month. So let's go. You will watch that place and see how much you're going to be getting. So if I get 50 and I train my people to also get 50, I'm going to take this down to 0 so you understand properly. So when I train my team, people in my team, people under me, to get 50%, like I'm getting 50% per month, that means they are not going to pay me this money. Owodaily pays me this money. So now if I help them refer one person, so let me show you. So I referred one person, you see one, and I helped that one person refer one person. That person referred one person and made also 3,000 naira, but I am earning extra 200 from him. So and I have 3,000 naira already. So because I helped that person and refer one person, I earn extra 200. So if I refer, and this person refers, if I don't refer any other person and I help this person refer 10 persons, my 3,000 naira automatically becomes 5,000. Do you understand how this works? But if I also refer 10 persons, look at it, then I would have made how much? 50,000 naira. Do you understand? Then the next thing here is, how many jobs can you complete per month? So let's say that I want to be doing jobs, but I don't have time for jobs. So you that is starting, is a beautiful place to start. You don't spend a dime. The only thing you need is your data. Even if you are just using this to buy your MTN data subscription, it's something, or you are using it to pay light bill, pay your data, and pay other things. It's something. So let's say how many jobs can you do per month? All right, so let me say on average I do 10 jobs per day on average. And so on average, say likes, if you are doing likes, it's just 10 naira. So 10 naira to 500 depending on the job you are doing, and I'm doing job of 10 naira. Okay, so I am calculating by 10 naira. I'm not even looking at the jobs of 500 because that one is not feasible. So let's go by 10 naira, and I'm doing 300 jobs. This thing cannot take, I would have typed it direct, but let me just go. It can't take me typing it direct because it's automated. So but I am going for 300 jobs, that is 10 jobs per day. Follow me carefully. All right, so but that doesn't mean that you do only 10 jobs per day. So some days you can do up to 20 jobs, some days you can, depending. And it doesn't mean that all the jobs are 10 naira. Some jobs give you as much as 100, some as 150, some as 450, 300. So depending on the jobs, but I'm just using a flat rate. This is the minimal. So I have 300. Can you see that? 300. So I have 3,000 naira, and these jobs doesn't take you time. Just within a space of 5 minutes you are done. 5 minutes you are done. So, and if you have this is an extra time seed by 12. This is an extra money by the side, but I don't have time for this. But as a starter, you can do this job. But this 3,000 naira is not what you are going to get by the end of the month. I believe you should be able to have at least 7,000 to 10,000 naira if you are serious with what you are doing at the end of the month at least. So if you are getting 7 to 10, let's say 10,000, average, that's extra to 120,000 by the side. So that's all about it, and then I hope you got value from this video. Hop on this system, let me show you how it works. And if you want to grow your social media presence, increase likes, comments, and all that, and use it for advertising, just let me know. I will be glad to teach you how it works for free. All right, so from here for now, it's gonna be bye. I remain Alfred, and folks call me the Online Millionaire because I teach people how to make money using the internet. From now, it's going to be bye.